Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are comparing the 2024 Volkswagen Passat and the Skoda Superb, focusing on their Euro NCAP crash test results. So let's get started. So starting with the frontal offset test, both the Passat and the Superb perform exceptionally well. The passenger compartments remained stable and both cars provided good protection for all critical body areas of the driver and passenger, earning full points for the dynamic damping results. Whether you are tall, short or sitting in a different position, both Volkswagen and Skoda have ensured that knee and femur protection is top-notch. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the story remains similar. Protection for the driver and rear passenger was rated as good or adequate for all critical body areas in both cars. Moving on the side impacts, both vehicles excelled again, scoring maximum points in both the side barrier and side pole impact test. This means that all critical body areas are well protected in these scenarios. One key area of comparison is the control of excursion, which is the extent to which a body is thrown to other side of the vehicle in a far side impact. And in this case, both the Passat and the Superb provided adequate control of excursion and have contrameasures to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries in such impacts. Whiplash protection is another important aspect, and both the Passat and the Superb demonstrated good protection in tests on the front seats and head restraints during rear-end collisions. Additionally, both vehicles come equipped with advanced e-call systems which alert emergency services in the event of a crash and systems to prevent secondary impact after a collision. Both Volkswagen and Skoda have ensured that doors and windows can be opened in the event of vehicles submerged, adding an extra layer of safety. To sum up, the 2024 Volkswagen Passat and the Skoda Superb both deliver strong performances in the Euro NCAP crash test, ensuring high levels of safety for their occupants. Whether you choose the Passat or the Superb, you can be confident in the safety features of both vehicles. And now please leave in the comment section below which model would you choose. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and till the next one, please stay safe.